Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have some more sort of process stuff tutorial. I'm not sure what I'm calling it, but I did go ahead and finish the little satchel. And so you have your magnet closure, and all I did was add just a tiny bit of glue to the edges here. So now it's a pocket. So all of the little cards can go inside there, just like that. And then you have this adorable little satchel. And then I'll just put that inside the journal, and then it can be removed or, you know, whatever. It's just a cute little addition to the journal. So I'm gonna set that aside because it is finished. And then there are a couple of pieces that I've already made that I wanted to show you how I did it. So basically, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you can see it. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I have a bunch of these slides from mostly the 70s and 80s. And I pulled out some, like this one is a rose. I think that's so cool that you can actually see it. I wasn't sure if it would show up on camera. This one is a pond with some cattails and some lily pads. You can kind of see that. And then this one is just some sort of flower or flowering bush of some sort. Anyway, I actually sell these in my Etsy shop if you're interested. They're fun to play with. The ones that I have are all different kinds of genres. I have, you know, nature ones, and then there's just people, and there's, you know, all kinds. There's just all kinds. I have so many of them. But if you're interested, you can go hop over and check those out. I sell them in sets of 10. Anyway, what I did was I added an eyelet here, and then I used the little faux metal pieces that come in Nikki's kit, her Naturalist kit. And I just used some cheesecloth and a bulb pin, and then I just made a little, you know, like dangle piece. And when I put them in the journal, you'll see how that's gonna work. But that's all I did, that's it. So I just wanted to show you real quick. So the same thing with this one. And then, so I'll show you what I did. Very simple. I already put together the little dangle. So I just poked a hole in the faux metal piece and added a tiny eyelet, added some cheesecloth and a bulb pin. And then I'm just gonna use the 3/16 hole punch on my crocodile and poke a hole here. And then I have my eyelet. So we'll just, this eyelet is a little janky. I'm hoping it'll be okay. I think it'll be fine. And I'm just gonna punch that. There we go. And then we can add our little dangle piece. Nope, I want to do it like this. I always do it wrong, and then it ends up dangling the wrong way. All right, there we go. Super simple, adorable little, you know, piece to add to your journals. And you could add anything. You could add beads, you could add, you know, whatever theme your journal is. You can, you know, do a lot of different things with these. So super cute, love them. All right, so we'll put those back there out of the way. The next thing I have, now for these, I used pieces from Tracie Fox's, I think it was her, yeah, I think these are from the assemblage slides and tags, the pieces inside, and then the pieces outside are from her, random sciencey labels, which I am loving. So what I did is I have empty slide cases. Now you could you could do the same thing if you take the already made ones apart. You can kind of take them apart and get the insides out. But I have some that, you know, don't have anything in them. So what I did, and I'll just show you the finished product, and then I'll show you how I made them. So here is what I have. I have the empty slide case, okay? And then I took 2 of the little circle pieces that come in Tracie's kit. I'm gonna ink those up because I haven't done that yet. Okay, and then I also have a couple of the pieces from these. I think these are from the same kit actually. Just some blank little label pieces. So we'll ink those. And then actually what I'm gonna do, I have these adorable little stamps, and I'm gonna stamp on my little labels here. So we'll do a 1 and a 9. There we go. Just very random. I don't care that it's not straight or, you know, anything like that. Doesn't bother me. I don't want it to be, you know, super straight. So I'm going to glue these 2 circles together, and I'm just using my art glitter glue because I'm trying to use this up so I can use the Barely art glue. So I just want to make sure that I have, you know, both sides right side up, at least mostly. All right, so those are glued together. Now I have, whenever I see transparency film at the thrift store or, you know, wherever, I buy it because usually it's old, and it has this amazing sort of yellowing to it. It's probably really hard to see on camera, but the older the better, because it gets, you know, it just looks old. So what I'm gonna do, let's move these pieces aside. I am going to glue that, and I'll use this. You don't want a whole lot of glue, and you don't want to get it too close to the opening because it'll smush out everywhere. And you also just want to kind of lay this down and very gently push it into the glue so that you don't get, you know, glue smushes everywhere. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I cut my transparency a bit bigger than the hole. All right. So like that. Hopefully, you can kind of see what I did there. Okay, and then I'm going to put my double-sided circle. I'm just going to lay it down. I'm not going to glue that. Then I'm going to take my 3-in-1, get all the goopy stuff off the top here. Actually, let's do this first. I'm going to just add glue. Again, I'm going to not a whole lot, and I'm just going to hit the outsides, and I don't want it to be, you know, too smushy here. Then I will lay my flower down, or whatever it is that you're putting on the inside, and we'll fold this over and very gently glue that shut. All right, right, just like that. Now, so you have that, and that's fine just the way it is, but I added, like on this one, I did it on the inside. I added little labels, but then on this one, I did it on the outside. So let's go ahead and we'll use the 3-in-1 for this too. Now when you flip it over, you're gonna see the back of that label. So that's why I have another one. So we'll put it in just the same spot on the other side so that it doesn't show. So I'll just make sure that we line that up properly so that you can't see either one. There we go. So that hides that label pretty well. There we go, that's probably better. And then on the other side as well, you can't see the back of the other label. And again, super simple way to just create your own little specimen slides. You know, to decorate to decorate your journal, or whatever it is that you're making. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. But I will be back with another one, and I'm gonna do some more kind of slide things with more of Tracie's kits. And yeah, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and stay safe, guys, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.